Has anybody read any of the Market Wizards books? Anybody else? Oh, you've got to get the Market Wizards books. So Jack Schwager is the author of the Market Wizards books. He interviews all these people, whether it be hedge fund managers, proprietary traders, anybody who's worth listening to in finance, he'll try and interview them. And they give these sort of nuggets of, just wisdom they've gained from years in the markets. But after interviewing all these tens of people, hundreds of people, one of his quotes is that amateurs think about how much money they can make, whilst professionals think about how much they could lose. And that's a professional mindset, not concentrating on the losing, but understanding the risks involved, right? That's very, very, very important. It's a foundation of trading success, is how you manage risk. Okay, bit of an interactive one. Coin toss. What is the probability of heads or tails when you flip it? And I don't want anybody to be like, oh, heads is slightly heavier than tails or anything like that. Try and outsmart me. What's the probability? Anyone want to have a stab at it? 50%. 50%. Anybody else? You flip a coin, heads or tails. What's the chances? What's the probability?
50-50.
Yeah, 50-50, bang on. So, if we flip a coin 100 times, and when it lands on heads, you have to give me £10, right? When it lands on tails, I have to give you £10. You'll probably be splitting that between you, but how many coin flips do I need to win to come out ahead financially? When I win, I make £10. When you win, you make £10. We flip it 100 times. How many do I need to win to come out ahead of you? Actually.
More than 50?
Yeah, 51, right? Okay, let's mix it up. Same question, but every time it lands on heads, you have to pay me £20. Every time it lands on tails, I have to pay you 10. How many do I need to win now to come out ahead?
34.
34, yeah. So, 34. So you see in these two situations, if you're not already painting this picture in your head, we go from having a situation where I actually need to win more times than you to make money to a situation where I lose 70% of the time and still come out ahead, right? That is what we're trying to do in trading. That is how we can make money even with a strategy that performs worse than a coin toss. You might think a strategy that performs worse than a coin toss, really? Yeah, you're going to hear about that, right? So when we're trading, our edge over the markets doesn't just come from what we see on the charts and how we act and react, but it can come from how we manage risk, right? So let's look at a situation where I've got a £50,000 account and I risk 1%, right, which is £500 loss, and I'm trying to make 3% every time I win, so it's a £1,500 gain, right? Now, a couple of charts. We start off, we buy the market here, we're looking for £1,500, we're risking 500, and it stops out, right? It stops out and I lose 500 quid, right? Sad times. Now, on to the next little example here. This time it wins, makes £1,500, happy days, right? So, if I do this 10 times, and I only win 3 out of 10, what's going to happen? Anybody want to?
You're up.
Yeah, by how much though? It would be bad if after everything I was like, no, you're still down. Right, okay, I'll put you out of your misery. So, you lose 7 for £3,500 loss. You win 3, you win only 3 for £4,500 gain. And overall you're up 2%, okay? So over 10 trades, you've still made money, even though you've lost 70% of the time. Now what happens if your strategy is as good as a coin toss and you win 50% of your trades? I'm not going to ask you again, I'll just put you out of your misery straight away. You lose 2,500 on the 5 that you're wrong, you make 7,500 on the 5 that you're right. So you end up 10% up just from a strategy that performs as good as a coin toss. That's simple risk management. Now, I'm sure many of you, if trading is what you desire to do, at some point in your career, you're going to develop a strategy that has a payoff of 1 to 3, and has a probability better than a coin toss. You certainly be better than us, but I'm sure you'll do it. And you're going to be sitting on a gold mine there. That really is the holy grail.